What's happening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam. This is Vancity Audi. We are back at Ride It Performance with my B9 S4 for another hardware upgrade. Not the normal upgrades that you see on this channel, though. This one is specifically for sound. Has nothing to do with performance, at least that I'm aware of. The one complaint, the only complaint that I have had from friends and spectators as I rip down the drag strip running quarter-mile runs in this B9 is that it's too quiet. You hear the tires more than you hear the exhaust. So today we're gonna fix that. We're gonna be installing Integrated Engineering's Midpipes in hopes of raising a bit of volume, getting a bit more tone out of that exhaust, really hearing what that 3-liter turbocharged V6 sounds like. So what I've done already is I've captured some content on the back roads of Mexico with this OEM setup. OEM downpipe and a full OEM exhaust. Multiple angles, some free revs for all you guys that like that kind of stuff. It's actually the first time I've ever done it in this car. There's no crackles, I'm sorry guys. I checked my files, there are no crackle tunes for the Stage 1 E85 files from Integrated Engineering, so sorry, you don't get any of those. No pops, no bangs. But I took some video of that so you guys can hear exactly what it sounds like. And then once we're done the install here, I'll get back out to that exact same spot, set up the cameras in the exact same way, and you guys will be able to hear the before and the after of this install to know exactly how much it changes the sound and the tone of the exhaust on my B9 S4. So we've opened up all the boxes of this IE mid-pipe set, and holy crap, there's a lot of hardware in here. I didn't expect there to be so many clamps and so many different pieces, so I'll let Kyle get to work, and then we get to enjoy the sound that this thing makes after the install. So now that Kyle has removed the OEM mid-pipe, I've laid it side by side with the new mid-pipe from IE. I'll go through the differences now that we've spotted. So on the OEM pipe, it's heat shielded. The IE, there's nothing there. For the flex pipe, it is longer on the IE pipe than the OEM. The next thing, which I think is quite important, is the OEM is pancaked and it reduces in size. What we see on the IE setup is it's solid the whole way through and it does not shrink down. We measured the IE pipes. These are 2.5 inches all the way through. On the OEM is 2 3/8. And the big reason why we're doing this, those babies, they are completely removed with the IE pipes. Getting rid of those resonators hopefully gives us that sound that we're looking for. So Kyle just pointed out one more thing. OEM unit has these brackets to give it extra support. Up underneath the car though, if you guys can see that right there, those are those extra brackets to help hold on to the mid-pipe. We don't need those anymore, so we're gonna take them off. If you notice, the IE pipes don't have that support bracket, so a little more weight reduction. That wraps up the install here at Ride It Performance. They look really, really nice, but it's not about what they look like. It's about what they sound like. The new tone and the new sound. That's what this mod is all about. So now that this is complete, we're gonna head back out to the exact same location, and I'm gonna get you guys the exact same shots so you can compare back to back OEM mid-pipes versus the IE mid-pipes. Well, what do you guys think? Are you a fan? I certainly am. More aggressive, a tad louder, and just an overall better tone, better sound. Those are like the 3-4 things I take away from my experience thus far. Been driving around for about 30 minutes now, giving it some gas, letting off, going through the gears, and then obviously that before and after comparison I shared with you guys. I'm impressed. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that the next time I rip down that quarter-mile drag strip, my friends are not giving me a tough time about my car being so quiet and the car making not enough noise and my tires making all of the noise. They hear the from my radials and they don't hear anything from the exhaust. I'm confident now that will be a thing of the past. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be headed back out to the drag strip and you'll hear this thing at wide open throttle ripping down the titanium strip Mission Raceway Park in the videos to come, in hopes of going quicker and faster and now sounding better in the quarter mile. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, take care.